Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get smooth timeline scrolling in Premiere Pro. It will help you edit faster as well as navigate faster through Premiere Pro. So if you go over to File and then go for Preferences and then Timeline, typically you are on Page Scroll. So Page Scroll is when you press play and towards the end of the timeline here, it will basically jump your playhead to the beginning towards the left, and sometimes it's hard to keep track of what's going on when that happens. So if you go to File, Preferences and Timeline and select this Smooth Scroll, basically it will keep your playhead in the middle at all time. So you can see the playhead in the middle, everything in the middle. Even if I skip forward, it plays from the middle. So it will be really good for the captions where you have to keep track of what's going on screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to get smooth timeline scrolling in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.